Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to turn off screen time without a password on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This is where you can view your usage statistics and set app limits or parental controls. Once you're in Screen Time, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see an option called Turn Off App and Website Activity. Tap on that. Now, a confirmation prompt will appear. This will disable real-time reporting, downtime, app limits, and always allowed apps. Basically, all your screen time tracking and restrictions will be turned off. Tap Turn Off App and Website Activity again to confirm. And that's it. Your screen time is now disabled without needing any password. This works for disabling iPhone screen time tracking, removing app limits, and turning off downtime settings all at once. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe to ClickFix for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.